Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2014 14 plate Audi A4 S Line. Now this is a very nice car. We took this vehicle in part exchange, owned by a very fastidious owner, so you can tell the car's been cherished in its years of ownership. Basically just bought an Audi A5 Sportsback offers and part exchanged this lovely vehicle. Now this one's finished in the lovely sort of dark blue black metallic, which looks absolutely fantastic. We're riding on 18-inch 5 twin spoke alloy wheels, finished in a sort of satin grey paintwork. Then within there we've got these blue brake calipers, which I think stand out and just make the wheels pop. But the actual car itself is in very nice order throughout. We've got rear parking sensors. It's an automatic vehicle. We've got bright silver window surrounds, daytime running lights, and then just looking at the front bumper, for the age, for the mileage, it's in nice order, so it's not riddled with stone chips. Looking at the bonnet, same goes, that's in nice order as well. Mirror caps, they're in nice condition, so there's no scuffs on those. There's no sort of bumper corner scuffs. A few slight marks on the wheels, which when the vehicle goes through our preparation process, through our workshops, will improve all the wheels. But then, true testament to the ownership of the car, we'll hop through to the interior and I'll show you through to the condition inside. We must have a TT tow bar on this one, so a detachable tow bar. The keys are still there as well. We've got the original pouch, which is a nice thing to have, so ideal if you're looking to tow with this vehicle. Obviously 2-litre diesel automatic, it's a very sought after vehicle for towing. We've got a space saver spare wheel instead of a tyre inflation kit, which is absolutely fantastic. Split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. We've got our warning triangle there. And then jumping inside, I'll just show you through to the condition of the seats. So the seats themselves, looking at the drivers, obviously this is where you tend to pick up most of your wear over time. The bolsters are in nice order. The seat base, very minimal wear to that. Looking at the actual cloth, that's in nice condition, so there's no signs of any sort of threading, no discoloration, no rips or tears. Then coming through to the rear, that's the exact same story. So those seats look like they've barely been sat in, they're in nice order. Nice fix in the bottom. We've got our central armrest there as well. Rear vents, so you get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning. 12-volt power outlet for your phone charging. We've got tailored floor mats all round, brushed aluminium detailing. But we'll jump inside and I'll show you through the specification. So we'll just turn down the blower speed and we'll put the seat back just so we can get a full appreciation of the cabin. So as we're doing this video today, this vehicle has covered 100,983 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. If you look after them, they'll last you a lifetime. So looking at the door card, we've got our park mirrors there, so heated mirrors, central lock-in. We've got our boot opening, 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear, automatic lights, a leather multifunction steering wheel, obviously part perforated, S-line embossed, so you can tell that this is the sportier looking model. We've got our voice command, all our volume and media controls. Wipers are found on that stalk. We've got our indicator stalk and then also our cruise control. The vehicle is supplied with both keys. Coming through then to the center display, we've got satellite navigation, which is a lovely thing to have. We've got our Bluetooth phone connectivity, so you've got all your Bluetooth music, DAB radio, so all the extended channels, multimedia, so if I click through to source, you've got SD, DVD, AMI, Bluetooth and LAN as well. Clicking through to the main menu, you can adjust the tone, so the bass, the treble of the actual speakers. You've got all your car settings, so miles till next service, obviously tyre pressure monitoring system, and so on. Then following down, we've got our Audi multimedia, so CD player and 2 SD cards. We'll just pull that back, and you'll find your dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Fantastic automatic box. Obviously you've got your drive, you've got sport mode. If you flick it down again, flick it to the side, that allows you to drive the car manually. Obviously you've got the flappy paddles on the steering wheel as well, which allow you to do that too. As soon as you flick it into reverse, your front and rear parking sensors engage. We've got our electric parking brake there, center scroll wheel, and all the buttons for the display. Central armrest, which is adjustable, is in superb order. We've got a 12-volt power outlet in there, 2 cup holders, S line embossed seats, but a truly lovely example. So if you'd like anything further on this vehicle, so if you'd like a part exchange price, if you'd like a personalised video, more images, we can always do that via WhatsApp. But thank you for watching the video. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.